What's up, guys? It's Chuck back again with another video. This time we got some more party pinks from 2010 conventions. The Rocketbye Baby is the first one. This one was from the St. Louis convention from 2010. And then this one, TNT-Bird from that was a LA convention. This was 10th annual, this is 24th. So check out this thing. This thing is actually pretty nice for a fantasy casting. See if the flaps open up. Gotta pull the pipes back here. And on the original red line, I did that. Yep, does it. So that's pretty cool. I think this is actually plastic instead of metal. And the original ones, I think they were metal. Actually, I had one. Hold on 1 second. Nope, I'm wrong. They are plastic. So this is the original red line, and they are plastic. But this one's more fluid, probably because there's no chrome on it. But yeah, anyway, enough about that one. This one's very basic. Looks like inside, oh, that's plastic too. Well, maybe not. No, it feels cold. It's metal. But yeah, it's got the rocket on there. Very plain Jane, which I like. It's very nice. Now let's look at that TNT-Bird. Again, this is another loose one that I got from my friend. Party Bird. I think that's what that says. This is like a spoiler. It's all dusty in there. I'll have to clean that off before I put it in the case. Again, suspension, which is cool. They did away with that for a while. It's got a tan interior. But yeah, so those are the, oh, check out the grill. It's got the nice T-Bird in there. It's pretty sick. But yeah, so these are the 2010 convention car, or convention party pinks. Thanks again, you guys, for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe and check out my other videos. I'll see you guys in the next one.